When using Voces, you may want to create different versions of the same page. We can do this easily using the Voces editor. First, find the page that you'd like to duplicate. Scroll to the bottom and click Edit this page. Now give that page a title that you'll be able to recognize in the next step. For this example, I'm going to call it Version 2 Tutorial. Then click OK. You don't need to make any edits, but you can make changes on this step to give it a different version immediately. So we could go ahead and edit the page right now, or we can move along to the next step. If you've chosen to edit, once you've clicked Save Page, you can pick back up with the video. So we would save the page and then close the editor. And the next step is going to be to open the full Voces editor from the Teachers panel. So we go to the Teachers panel and then the pencil icon to open the editor. We'll click here where it says Manage My Pages, which will show us the second version of that activity. Over to the right, click Duplicate and then name that third version. Click OK, and you'll see a message that the page has been duplicated but still needs to be added. Click OK, and now close out of the Page Manager. Next, scroll to where you'd like to add that page. I'm going to choose to add it in the same group under the IPA. So here I'll click the option for New Group. This will allow me to give that activity a name. So this is the one the students will see. So I may call this one just Presentational Writing V2 or V3, and then click Create. Now we see the page here, and underneath a row of gray buttons, we'll find the one that says Add Page and click there. Now from the drop-down menu, we'll find that activity, the Presentational Writing V3. Add that one there. Once you've chosen it, click Add, and now you'll be able to edit that page, or you can edit the original. You can also move it up so that it's right next to the original as well. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save, and then you'll be able to close out of the Voces editor. In the table of contents, you may not see that change immediately. We do recommend refreshing your browser, which will give that a second to load, and we'll see that Presentational Writing V2 is now right there in the table of contents. Of course, if you run into any issues or any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using any of the options under the question mark icon in your account.